is me. Editing short for hours, uploading shorts, and getting nothing. Meet another version of me who is more clever and knows what to do and what to avoid. Chances are you're making the same deadly mistakes I did and they're silently killing your shorts. But don't worry, because in the next few minutes I'll expose every single problem and give you the exact fixes to start getting views. I know your shorts deserve way more views and this video will definitely fix your issue. Once you apply these fixes, your shorts will never be stuck at 0 again. First, I'll reveal the biggest reasons why your shorts are stuck at 0 views and how to fix them. But stick around till the end because I'll share a secret strategy that can turn a dead channel into a viral success. Let's dive in. Problem number 1 is posting videos on a brand new account with shadowbanned IP address. If you're uploading shorts from a brand new account with a shadowbanned IP address, your videos might get stuck at 0 views in the shorts feed because of YouTube's spam and trust signals system. Here's why. 1. Shadowbanned IP address. A shadowbanned IP means YouTube has flagged that IP due to suspicious activity, like mass creating multiple YouTube accounts, repeatedly violating community guidelines, using bots or automation in an unnatural way. When YouTube detects this, it limits or completely suppresses content visibility from that IP. Even if your video is high quality, YouTube won't promote it in the shorts feed. And when it comes to a brand new account, new accounts have no posting history, no engagement, and no watch time credibility. YouTube doesn't immediately trust new accounts and won't push their videos unless they show organic engagement signals, likes, comments, retention, etc. If the account is tied to a shadow-banned IP, it's an even bigger red flag. YouTube normally tests shorts by showing them to a small audience. If an account is flagged due to IP issues or suspicious activity, the algorithm never even pushes the video to this test group, keeping views stuck at 0. Before I show you how to avoid getting shadow banned, let me prove it. One of my old channels was stuck at 0 views. I was sure it was shadow banned, but after a few key changes, including my last fix, the results spoke for themselves. If you're not actually shadow banned, next steps will get your views back. Let's get back to fixing first problem. 1. Use a clean, trusted IP. Avoid random VPNs or flagged networks. Use trusted VPN or try uploading from a different organic IP, mobile data or Wi-Fi. 2. Engage naturally. Watch and interact with other content from the account before posting. Warm up your account for 1 to 3 days before start uploading. 3. Don't rush uploads. Let the account build credibility over time with proper activity. 1 short per day is great for starters. After 2 weeks or more, you can double or triple your uploads. The next common mistake small channels make is deleting shorts that underperform. Removing any content from YouTube can hurt your channel's growth. In the past, one of my shorts performed terribly in the first 24 hours, but after 3 days, it started gaining more views. So, trust the process. When you delete a short, whether it performed well or not, you reset YouTube's understanding of your channel. The algorithm loses data on what works, and your momentum takes a hit. Obviously, in order to fix this problem, never delete any videos, even the worst ones. Instead, analyze what went wrong and improve in future uploads. Always make your mind to think you are 1 short away. If you really want to remove a video from public view, set it to unlisted or private. It's a much safer option. Problem number 3 is using irrelevant hashtags and tags. Think stuffing random hashtags like trending will help? Wrong. YouTube ranks short based on relevance, not popularity. If your hashtags don't match your content, YouTube will push your video to the wrong audience, leading to low views, poor retention, and 0 engagement. Here's the truth. I rarely use hashtags. Instead, I write a short, keyword-rich description that helps YouTube understand my video. This way, my shorts naturally reach the right audience without relying on random tags. To fix hashtags issue, use 3 to 5 highly relevant hashtags and tags that are directly related to your niche. Study what successful creators in your space are using and apply their strategies to see what works for you. Try different styles and most importantly, do what works for your channel. And with that, problem 4 is low engagement and low quality. Be honest, would you watch your own video till the end? If not, why should anyone else? Here's the harsh truth. Low watch time equals no views. YouTube prioritizes videos that keep people engaged. If viewers drop off within the first few seconds, your video loses momentum and YouTube stops pushing it to new audiences. Your swipe through rate, STR, and retention are key factors in getting more views. If people skip your video too quickly, low hook, or don't watch enough of it, low retention, your video will struggle. YouTube favors videos with high retention and strong average view duration. I've seen this firsthand. One of my shorts hit 21 million views on a brand new channel. Why? Because the video had high quality, an 83% STR, and a strong AVD. YouTube recognized it as engaging content and pushed it to a massive audience. More on this in upcoming videos, so make sure to subscribe to see how I'm blowing up a brand new channel with simple strategies. Let's get back to fix this problem. Hook viewers instantly, use fast cuts, bold text overlays, sound effects, and engaging visuals to keep them watching. Cut out anything boring. Every second must add value, entertain, or spark curiosity. This will boost your retention, increase your AVD, and make your short impossible to scroll past. Keep watching, we are about to fix everything with upcoming fixes. Posting at the wrong time is like throwing your video into a black hole. I know that many small channels don't have an audience yet, so they struggle with knowing when to post. But here's the thing, YouTube shows shorts to different audiences first, a process called the seeding phase. If you're starting fresh, don't stress over analytics yet. Instead, focus on posting when your target audience is most active. Posting when your audience is online increases early traction, leading to better visibility and more reach. Problem 6 is inconsistent posting. YouTube rewards consistency, but if you post randomly, the algorithm won't take you seriously. Posting once a day if you get less views, then disappearing for days is biggest mistake that most of you are doing. Inconsistent uploads kill your momentum, confuse the algorithm, and make it harder for YouTube to recommend your content. I learned this the hard way. When I was posting consistently, YouTube kept pushing my videos, and my views were growing fast. But when I became inconsistent, my views slowed down, my shorts stopped getting pushed, and my analytics dropped. The algorithm needs consistency to keep recommending your content. To fix this issue, stick to a schedule. Start with one short per day and stay consistent. The more you post, the more YouTube recognizes your content and pushes it to the right audience. Before moving to problem 7, I've got something special for you. My editor is launching a brand new channel called Yaxia Edits, where he will be sharing insanely useful editing tips and tricks for CapCut PC, all in a super easy to follow way. By the way, he edited all my past videos using only CapCut. Sounds unbelievable, right? Make sure to check that channel. New tutorials are coming soon, and don't subscribe if you're not interested in editing. Alright, problem 7 is reposting the same video on a new account. As I said before, you've spent hours on editing one short and post it to YouTube, it flopped. I know your editing and quality of content is insane, but when it comes to re-uploading, YouTube detects duplicate content, especially you post it on a new account. Instead of giving your video a fresh push, the algorithm limits its and upcoming shorts reach, making it nearly impossible to gain traction even in the future uploads. To fix this, re-edit or repurpose your content creatively. Change the intro, use different clips, tweak the pacing, or add new captions and effects to make it feel fresh and engaging. Don't upload on the same date, otherwise you know what happens. Last and most important problem is picking saturated or random niche. 99% of the time, choosing an overly competitive or completely random niche can kill your channel's growth. If you're in a highly saturated space, like generic motivational clips or viral compilations, it's tough to stand out. On the other hand, constantly switching topics confuses the algorithm, making it harder for YouTube to know who to recommend your videos to. To fix this issue, pick a specific, slightly untapped niche with consistent demand. Instead of copying what everyone else is doing, find a unique angle and stay focused on one type of content so YouTube can push it to the right audience. Inshallah, I will try to make video about how to pick a niche in the future if you support me by subscribing to my channel with notifications. So I told you I took a brand new dead channel and turned it into a viral machine without spending hundreds on ads or hiring a team. Sounds crazy, right? But I did it, and I'm about to show you exactly how. First, I cracked the code by picking the right niche and injecting trends into it like fuel to a fire. Then, I invested in high-quality voiceovers, just $5 a month on 11 Labs. Link in the description if you want to check it out. But here's where it gets insane. I spent only $15 in total, yet that tiny investment took my channel from 0 subscribers to 81,000 plus and got it monetized before YouTube's own monetization. How? Simple. YouTube Music Partnership. If you hit at least 1 million views in 28 days, you can start making money even before hitting YouTube's official monetization requirements. I used this exact method and started earning from my shorts immediately. If you want to know more, there's a link in the description.